Hi guys, here most of them get answer 51 for this problem. Wrong order. Here 3 plus 4 is 7 times 2 power 3 minus 5. Here 7 times 2 power 3 is 8 minus 5. Here 7 times 8 is 56 minus this 5. Here 56 minus 5 is 51 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 51 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in the correct order. Here this is a bracket, higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So in this problem we don't have the bracket. So we are moving to next priority, which is exponent. Here we have exponent. So this exponent is higher priority than this operation. So here 3 plus 4 times, here 2 power 3 is 8 minus 5. Next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have only multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 3 plus, here 4 times 8 is 32 minus this 5. Here we have next priority addition and subtraction. Here we have addition and subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 3 plus 32. 3 plus 32 is 35 minus this 5. Here 35 minus 5 is 30 is the correct answer.